Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 53. If we start with this box, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 3, 7. We look at this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 covering both of these boxes, so our 6 must be here. Got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this top row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing a 6. And for this box, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 7s covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4s covering these two boxes, so this is our 4. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 3 covering both of these boxes, so our 3 must be here. 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.